This short guide explains how to buy shares of Denali Therapeutics Inc., a biotech company focused on treatments for neurodegenerative disorders. Denali trades on NASDAQ under the ticker DNLI, and this content is educational only, not financial advice. To buy stock, you need a broker, and I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you'll need to verify your account, usually with an ID, and add funds before placing orders. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker DNLI to locate Denali Therapeutics. Select the listing that matches the company name and NASDAQ exchange to ensure it is the correct stock. On the asset page, review the company description and the price chart to confirm you have Denali Therapeutics. Double-check the NASDAQ listing and ticker DNLI so you are on the correct share page. To buy, click Invest. Enter the amount you want to commit. Then carefully review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued until it reopens, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will ask you to add money before finalizing the purchase. After the trade completes, your Denali position will appear in your portfolio for monitoring. Check the video description for a link to eToro if you want to follow the same example.